All right, number 1, find the product. In other words, we're taking this and we're multiplying it through. 6 times 3 is 18. A to the 15, there's no A in there, so it's A to the 15. B times B is B squared. Okay, and then we're going to do 6 times negative 4 would be negative 24, right? A to the 15 times A to the 1 is A to the 16. B times B to the 7 is B to the 8. Okay? Now, label this. I want you to name it. Okay, that's a little more than what I expected last year. Okay? So I want you to also name it. Name the polynomial. Okay? So what is it? What degree is it?
15.
No.
16.
No. Do you remember? You need to add them.
So it's 24 degree of binomial?
Yes. So this should actually be rewritten as negative 24 a to the 16th b to the 8th plus 18 a to the 15 b to the 2, because this is 24, right? And this is 17. Okay? So this is a 24th degree polynomial. Or actually it's a 24th degree binomial. Okay?
Are you doing it from like when you said greatest and adding the exponents?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and we'll do that again over here. Right? These are a little easier because they're only single variables. But I decided I better teach you this because this is actually on the ACT. And they'll throw a couple of these on there. So I want you to know why. So you have to add these exponents. When you have multiple variables, you add the exponents to see what the degree is. Okay? Alright. Now this one says find the common factor. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to say 6x cubed minus 3x squared plus negative 12x plus 4, right? And so then we're going to say, well, what goes into 6 and 3? 3. What goes into x cubed and x squared?
X squared.
X squared. So we got 2x minus 1, right? Okay?
You say you messed up on the 12. It's supposed to be an 8.
Oh, yeah. I messed up on this 12. This is supposed to be an 8. So this should be an 8. Because I really want you guys to be able to see how to do this. Okay.
Wait, Dan.
Yeah.
We got a reference in our notes if we already did it on this?
You want to write in your notes the ones that you have trouble with. Okay?
I'm all over here doing
Yeah. If you already did it last week and you get it, then you're fine. Alright? What are you confused on? Alright, we're just pulling out what goes into 6 and 3. 3, right? What goes into x cubed, x squared? So x squared. And then I take the 3 into 6, I get 2. I take the 2 away from 3, I get 1. Okay? This was the wrong number.
Make that an 8.
So make this an 8.
Okay.
Okay? This is the wrong number. So make that an 8 so we can make this work out. Okay? So then what goes into negative 8 and positive 4? 4, right? But we want to get rid of that negative, right? So we're going to take out a negative 4. Okay? And when we do that, that's going to make this a positive 2x, right? That's going to make this a negative 1, right? And now these are going to match. And that's what we want. Okay?
Sorry.
So, when we rewrite these as 3x squared times 2x minus 1 plus 2x minus 1 times negative 4, okay? We want to pull out whatever is common. So I see that this and this are common, right? So I'm going to pull out a 2x minus 1, and what's left is the 3x squared plus the negative 4, right? And so I will rewrite that. I'm going to rewrite that as 2x minus 1 times 3x squared minus 4. Okay? Now, if I can reduce that, I will, but I cannot, so I'm done. Okay? What's the common factor? Well, one of these guys. If they gave you A, B, C, or D, then you would pick, in this case, B. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay? So that's factor by grouping. Okay?
That's really.
We've done that a lot last year and this year, so we're getting better at it. All right, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? 3, 4, and 5 are pretty easy. Or order them from highest to lowest. So I have a 2 here, so it's going to go negative 5x squared, right? And then plus 9x minus 10, right? And so then I'm going to say, okay, what kind of polynomial is this? And because it's a square, it's a
Second degree. Trinomial.
second degree, which we call
Quadratic.
quadratic. And we call it a mono, bi, or tri?
Trinomial.
Trinomial? Not trinono. Trinomial. Fail. There we go. Alright. Next. What's this one called?
Monomial.
Quintic Monomial.
Quintic Monomial. Got to organize this one. So minus k to the 9th plus k to the 3rd.
Go open the window.
So what is it called?
Is it 12th degree?
Nope.
Eskimo.
9th
Yes.
degree binomial.
Binomial. Okay? 9th degree binomial. Why is it 9th degree and not 12th?
Because once is it because it's negative?
Because these are adding. Okay? If it was multiplying, right? We would add those exponents. Does that make sense?
No, not really.
Alright, look. Are these multiplying?
Nope.
What? Look.
Yep.
Yep. Okay? A times B, right? That's why we add the exponents. Just for the degree. We can't multiply those and get an AB, right? We don't go, hey, that's this new like little section that we call AB to the 17th. Right? But we do say that it's a 17th degree. Does that make sense? That's just the way that they do it.
The 7th degree makes sense, but I don't really get it.
These are being added, so we don't add the exponents together.
Oh, okay. Okay.
These are being multiplied, so we do.
Because there's a sign in there.
Exactly.
Oh, okay.
Okay? Any other questions?
No.
Good?